Welcome to the Facts channel. Welcome back to our channel, Tech Explorers. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the future of burglar alarms. As technology continues to evolve, so does the security industry. In this video, we'll delve into the latest advancements in burglar alarm systems and explore what we can expect in the near future. To understand where we're headed, let's take a quick look at the current state of burglar alarms. Traditional alarm systems rely on sensors placed at entry points such as doors and windows, which trigger an alert when breached. These systems have been effective in deterring and detecting break-ins for many years. However, advancements in technology have opened up a whole new world of possibilities. One major trend in burglar alarm technology is smart home integration. Smart home security systems connect with other devices in your home, allowing for seamless automation and control. For example, you can arm or disarm your alarm remotely through a smartphone app, receive real-time notifications, or even integrate it with voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant. This level of integration offers convenience and peace of mind like never before. Video surveillance has also seen significant advancements. Today, burglar alarm systems often include high-definition cameras that can capture detailed footage both indoors and outdoors. These cameras provide not only real-time monitoring but also recording capabilities. Some even use advanced analytics to detect suspicious activities, such as recognizing faces or distinguishing between humans and animals. This level of sophistication enables more accurate threat detection. Another exciting development in burglar alarm technology is the use of wireless connectivity. Traditional alarm systems required extensive wiring, which could be challenging to install and maintain. However, wireless systems have made installation much simpler and more flexible. They rely on Wi-Fi or cellular networks to communicate with the central monitoring station, eliminating the need for physical connections. This advancement has made security systems more accessible and scalable. One of the most promising advancements in burglar alarm technology lies in the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. These technologies empower security systems to learn and adapt to patterns, increasing their ability to differentiate between normal household activities and potential threats. AI-powered burglar alarms can analyze data from various sensors, cameras, and even smart devices to make more accurate decisions and improve overall security. Now, let's take a peek into the future of burglar alarm systems. While the developments we've discussed are already impressive, we can anticipate even more exciting advancements on the horizon. One area where we can expect significant progress is predictive analytics. By leveraging the power of AI and ML, burglar alarms will become more proactive in identifying potential security risks. These systems will learn from historical data and continuously adapt, providing predictive insights to homeowners and even taking preemptive measures to enhance security. Biometric authentication is another aspect that holds great promise for burglar alarm systems. In the future, we might see fingerprint scanners, facial recognition, or even voice authentication integrated into security systems. This additional layer of personal identification will make it extremely difficult for unauthorized individuals to disarm or tamper with the alarm system. Yes, you heard it right, drones. While still in the experimental stage, we can envision the use of drones in the realm of security. Picture this. If an alarm is triggered, a drone equipped with cameras and sensors could be dispatched to survey the area and relay live footage to the central monitoring station. This aerial perspective could aid in faster and more accurate threat assessment. As the Internet of Things, IoT, continues to expand, we can expect even greater integration between burglar alarm systems and other smart devices in our homes. Imagine a scenario where your security system is seamlessly connected to your smart locks, lights, and even appliances. This level of integration would allow for synchronized responses and enhanced security measures, making our homes safer than ever. In the future, burglar alarm systems are likely to incorporate cloud-based storage and remote access capabilities. This means that all the data, including surveillance footage and alarm logs, will be securely stored in the cloud. Homeowners will be able to access this information from anywhere, at any time, using their smartphones or other connected devices. Cloud storage not only provides convenient remote access but also ensures that the data is protected even if the physical security system is compromised. Sensing technology is another area where significant advancements are expected. Future burglar alarm systems may include more sophisticated sensors that can detect subtle changes in the environment. For example, sensors could be designed to detect changes in air quality, temperature, or even vibrations caused by someone trying to bypass the alarm. By expanding the range of detectable threats, these systems will provide a higher level of security and reduce false alarms. As AI assistants become more prevalent in our daily lives, it is likely that burglar alarm systems will integrate with these platforms as well. Imagine being able to arm or disarm your security system using voice commands to your virtual assistant. You could also receive alerts or updates directly through your AI assistant, making security management more seamless and intuitive. User interfaces are constantly evolving, and burglar alarm systems will be no exception. In the future, we can expect more intuitive and user-friendly interfaces that make it easier for homeowners to manage and customize their security settings. Touchscreens, voice recognition, and gesture controls may become common features, allowing for effortless interaction and customization of the alarm system. As burglar alarm technology continues to advance, it is essential to address the ethical considerations and privacy concerns associated with these systems. With the increasing integration of cameras, AI, and biometric authentication, privacy issues may arise. Striking the right balance between security and privacy will be crucial, ensuring that individuals' rights are respected while still providing effective security measures. The future of burglar alarm systems is undoubtedly exciting. With advancements in smart home integration, video surveillance, wireless connectivity, AI and ML, predictive analytics, biometric authentication, drone technology, and enhanced integration, our homes are set to become more secure than ever before. Remember, security is a priority, and staying informed about these advancements will help you make the best choices when it comes to protecting your home and loved ones. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of technology. Stay safe, and until next time, Tech Explorers out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.